Alright, ang first question ko ay, ano para sa'yo ang maturity?
Maturity is realizing that loving someone is a sacrifice. Hindi siya puro kilig, hindi siya puro happiness lang. You're supposed to choose to love that person every single day, even on the days when they feel unlovable. Ayun.
The next question ko ay, paano ba mag-unlove ng isang tao?
Para sa akin kasi, I believe na you can never really unlove someone. Parang you just get used to not having them around. Ayun.
My last question is, ano ang worst breakup line para sa'yo?
Siguro para sa akin, sorry pero mas gusto ko siya. Parang ganun. Kasi parang
Sakit nga.